it's gotten to that point where this studio is not workable anymore. I can't get anything done. It's a mess. I've been away. So I asked my husband to help me reorganize because he's very good at that. And so here is what we're doing. He has emptied out all the shelves here, and I'm going to take over this desk and these shelves for my art stuff. And I'll keep my sewing machine set up here, and then my big sewing machine down here, and this is my work area for stitching. I want to get all these things off the ground and ready to go. So that's where I am. And I will video as I proceed. So quickly, this is still a mess, but look over here. I've cleared some of the floor space. I've organized more of this over here, and I'm slowly making my way through. Yeah, it's a long job here. But the first thing was to kind of pull everything out and then start putting things back in, organizing. So fabrics here, threads here, and of course here. And then paper products here, mixed media. I'm going to have, paints and all of that in all these other places. And I want to get rid of this file cabinet, file stuff in here. So I really want this floor to be clear of all this stuff. That's it. More soon. All right, so this area is still a total disaster. This area needs to be fixed. But look at the floor space that I've cleared up. And then look at this. And I've put this, I've taken the printer off, we've moved everything out, so I've got my cutting board there. Still a lot to do, but getting better, little by little. I'm just trying to take it as it comes here and not get too discouraged. It feels like it's going on forever. This is day 3. But you can see that the floor anyway is getting cleared of all that stuff. And things are getting put away eventually. This is the one I'm tackling right now. I want to clear that whole desktop, clear all these shelves, and reorganize. And then this is the final frontier right here, this stuff. Ready? Two empty shelf spaces for more stuff. And this is the final bit right there. I'm taking a break and I'll tackle that this afternoon. The final sweep of the finished studio. So here's my work area for hand stitching, things I'm working on over here. Sewing machine, threads, fabrics that I've dyed, and linens from Pat Polly. This is all the mixed media, art supplies, and everything else. And there's my cutting board. I've got some silk screens over there. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna put this back here so you can see. One final sweep. I'm so happy.